Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be on an updated Windows build and signed in as an administrator. Once done, open Services. MSC and find Windows Security Service plus Windows Defender Antivirus Service. This is where you begin. Make a system restore point now so you can revert changes if needed. Then set each service to manual or automatic depending on the guide you follow. And do not restart yet. There are more steps to ensure dependencies and permissions are correct. Next, you resolve complex permission and dependency issues. Use SC, EXE or PowerShell to list dependencies and to query the service state. This reveals what other services must run. Run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files, then use PowerShell to reset Defender components and re-register DLLs if needed. If services still fail, check hklm/system/current control set back. Finally, you restart the specific services and then reboot the PC to let changes settle. After reboot, open Windows Security to confirm Defender and Security Center report healthy. If problems persist, open Event Viewer and note error codes or service failure messages. These codes guide targeted fixes. As a last resort, perform an in-place repair install with the same Windows image to restore damaged components without losing files. Troubleshooting tip: if a policy or third-party security tool blocks Defender, temporarily remove it and retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.